Guys, today I am going to teach Max on this topic integers. Already one video I uploaded for real numbers. Next important thing is integers. Many of the students they just getting confusion over the integers. That is why I want to upload and want to improve the students also. So I just give some examples here. There are a lot of applications are there. Some people without having any money they will run their family, so it is negative. And some people with lot of savings of monies they will run their life, so that is we call it as positive sign. So plus and minus, negative sign and positive sign along with zero, that is what we call it as integers. So integers numbers are having negative numbers, it is also having zero as well as positive numbers. Now I am going to tell about the different operations also, how to do in integers. There are multiplications, divisions as well as addition and subtraction also. Now let us see about multiplication as well as division. So multiplication, and in the case of division. So for this, what are the rules you have to apply for integers? So I just tell you, suppose any negative numbers are there, that you are multiplying by another negative numbers, or your negative numbers you are dividing by another negative numbers. So in this case, the answer will come as positive. How we can remember this is, suppose something is wrong, not correct. That not correct, somebody is saying it is not correct. Not correct, somebody is saying as not correct. Then it is correct only, no? So that is a positive. Like that, remember the rules like that, so that the remembrance become very easy. Suppose positive numbers is there, that you are multiplying by another positive numbers, or positive numbers you are dividing by another positive numbers. Here also something is correct, somebody saying it is right only, so it's correct only, no? Right thing is saying right, so answer also will come as right. That means positive. Positive means right, negative means not correct. Okay, next let us see about the numbers comes in different types also. Suppose positive numbers are there, that you have to multiply by negative integers. So in this case, or sometime you have to positive integers, that you have to divide by negative integers. So in these cases, what you have to remember, see something is correct is there, but he said wrongly. So that is wrong only, no? Correct thing is there, he said that is wrong. So answer will come as wrong. That means wrong means negative. So remember the rules. This is the first rule, this is the second rule, and third rule I already said. Okay. Now let us see one more also, fourth rule. Suppose negative integers are there, that you are multiplying by positive integers, or some negative integers you are dividing by positive integers. Here also something not correct, wrong things are there, but he said that is correct, so that is wrong only, no? So answer will come as wrong. That means negative integers. Now let us see in the case of addition. Already I explained about multiplication as well as in division, what are the rules you have to apply for integers number. Now next we are going for addition. So in the case of addition, what are the rules you have to follow? Suppose negative integers are there, with that you are adding with another negative integers number. So in that cases, you have to remember another kind of rule, that is, this is a loss, this also loss, loss added, answer will come in the loss only. So answer also you should write it with a negative symbol only. Suppose you are adding different types, suppose negative integers are there, that you are adding with a positive integers, then what will happen, you will have the doubt. So in that cases, how you have to remember is, suppose loss is there, here plus is gain, I already said. In that you have to compare both numbers, which number is greater. Suppose somebody is having lot of gains, then after the difference, that some gains only will come there. So suppose positive numbers is greater, then you will get answer as positive. Okay, third rules, let us see here. Suppose negative integers you are adding with some positive integer, but that positive numbers is lesser than negative integer. So in that cases it is lesser than this, so answer will come as negative only. Now fourth rule, let us see here. Suppose you are adding with positive integers with another positive integers, that means this also gain, this also gain. So answer will come as gain, that means positive. Okay. Now next let us see in the case of subtraction. Suppose your first rule I just say about this. Now negative integers are there that you are subtracting with another negative integers. Now what will happen? Because here two signs are there. I already said wrong thing somebody is saying as wrong only. So then that becomes correct only. Okay, then the answer will come as negative plus positive will change. Now again you have to compare. If it is a greater, then what answer you will get? You will get greater only, great, because this is greater, that you are subtracting with another number, answer will come as positive. Now second rules, let us see here. Suppose negative is there, that you are subtracting with positive integers. So something is not correct, someone saying it is correct only, then it is wrong only. So the answer will come as negative minus negative, that means both are negative, so loss like addition type rules only. So now you have tried, the answer will come as negative only. Okay, then next let us see in third rules. For negative integers you are subtracting with positive. Okay, positive I already said. Now already I just explained about the rules in integers. Now I want to give some example, then you will clearly understood also properly. Now let us see about in the case of multiplication. Now I just give example for multiplication, then you will understand properly. Minus 3 is there. These numbers I have to multiply by another minus number, let us say minus 9. I already said the rules. Something is not correct, the person said correctly not correct only, so it is correct only. So 3 9s are 27, we already know. Minus into minus become plus, so answer will come as 27. So we can mention positive symbol, is not necessary to mention it also. If it is not mentioned any sign, then we understood that it is a positive number. Now another number also I just give example. Suppose you are multiplying minus 7 into positive numbers, let us say it is 8. Now something is not correct, he said that is correct, so it is a wrong. 7 8s are 56, we already know, so answer will come as minus 56. Now let us see another example also. Suppose minus 2 is there, that you are plus 2 is there, that you are multiplying by plus 4 only. Both are, something is correct is there, so the person has said correct, so answer will come also plus number only. 2 4s are 8, we already know, so answer will come as plus 8. The same rule only will apply in the case of division also. Then in the case of addition also I will give some example. Suppose first number is minus 56 is there, that you have to add with some positive number, let us say it is 20. Here which symbol is greater? Minus symbol is greater. So we have to say that it is a loss, it is a gain. So gain is only 20, but loss is more is there. So you have to get the answer as loss only more. So find the difference. The difference is nothing but minus 36 is the answer. Okay, then another also I just give example. Suppose you are taking number, positive numbers only. Let us say 28 plus 28 is there. So I am not putting any symbol because no symbol is there. We already know it is a positive integer. That we are adding with another 27. So we already know answer will come as both are positive only because correct thing is he said correct only. So answer also will come as plus only. So you can write it as answer as plus 55. Or if you write that symbol, if you don't put the symbol also, no problem. Okay. Now another example also I will just give you. Suppose the number comes like this. That means minus number comes as low. So I just take example as minus 12. With that I am adding the number plus 30. So something is not correct. He said plus. Okay. So in these cases, gain is more is there, but loss is very less is there. So the difference will come as gain only. So the difference is 18. So you have to put a plus symbol only. Now let us also see another example in the case of subtraction. Okay, in the case of subtraction, how it will come, let us see here. First example I just tell you, suppose minus 13 is there. So with that you are subtracting with another minus number minus 12. Now what will happen? So already said not correct, somebody said not correct only. So then that will become correct only. Answer will come as 13 plus 12. Okay, now so whenever additions are coming, we already know plus is a gain, minus is loss. So loss is more is there. How much loss that is? Answer minus 1. Okay, then one more another example I just give you. Suppose the number is minus 30 is there. Okay, now you are subtracting with positive number only. Positive number, let us say it is about 22. Now positive symbol means I am not representing any symbol here. So something is not correct. He said correct. So that is wrong. So answer will come as minus 30 minus 22. So minus 30 also loss. This also loss. So both are loss only. So we have to add and find out how much loss. Answer will come as minus 52.